Hello, I'm Jordan from Miro AI Studio. Make collaboration more interactive and engaging with these three powerful tools. Click Tools, Media, and Integrations and search for Spinner Wheel. Click on the board to place it. Add people or custom options to the wheel and spin to select at random. Perfect for choosing team members for tasks, picking ideas to explore first, or making group decisions without bias. Use it in workshops to randomly assign breakout groups or in retrospectives to decide which topic to discuss first. Makes decision-making fun and fair. Search for polls in Tools, Media, and Integrations. You have powerful options. Multiple choice creates interactive polls right on your canvas. Ask questions and gather votes in real time. Select the settings to decide if you want to show results as percentages, make votes anonymous, or allow multiple votes and specify how many. Perfect for quick team decisions or workshop check-ins. Word Cloud surfaces key themes in a live cloud. Team members submit words and the most common responses appear larger. Great for capturing sentiment or identifying priorities visually. All make collaboration visual and interactive instead of relying on verbal discussions. Find alignment scale in the same menu and add it to your board. Set your question and options. Team members drag their indicator along the scale to show their level of agreement or alignment. See at a glance where everyone stands on a decision or proposal. You can also change the scale color or make the vote anonymous. Perfect for checking consensus before moving forward, identifying concerns early, or visualizing team sentiment on strategic decisions. No more asking, "Does everyone agree?" and getting silence. These three tools make collaboration more interactive, visual, and inclusive. Ready to try them? Subscribe for more Miro tips on interactive collaboration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.